Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do double stick release. So first I will show you how to do the trick, then I'll do a step-by-step explanation, and then show you in slow motion. So before we get started, I suggest that you learn how to do single stick release if you haven't already. The video is already in the channel, so you can just find that. Okay, so this is what double stick release looks like. Okay, so obviously you're just tossing both sticks and then letting them go around the yo-yo and then re-catching them. So firstly, make sure you have enough space to do this. This one needs a lot of like horizontal space and a bit of vertical space, so make sure you're not like hitting the roof or you're not hitting on something to the side. Secondly, there's actually two ways to do this trick. This way, let's just call it horizontal method. This one you can do indoors. It doesn't require as much space. The other method is to do vertically, and you literally toss the yo-yo up and it goes around a few times. But that requires a lot of space, so I might teach that in a later video. So it's the same form as single stick release, so you're just gonna swing it to the right, unless you're left-handed, and then you go to the left. And then once you're here, instead of letting go of just your left stick, you're gonna let go of both of them. But you gotta make sure that you're throwing your sticks down, so that gives it more speed when it's rotating. So throw your sticks down like that, and then, yeah. Also make sure yo-yo is high enough. If you release too early, it's just gonna like fly to the left. So you gotta make sure that like the yo-yo is pretty much unmoving. The stick should all be the only thing that's moving. So you're gonna go to the right, push down, catch. So catching is kind of tricky because horizontal method, you're going pretty fast. So just aim for the string instead of the sticks. You'll be able to, it'll be more consistent and you won't hurt your hands as much. So catching double stick release is kind of a like faith kind of thing. You just gotta go for it and just hope that you can catch it. So this one takes a bit of practice, obviously, but you're probably gonna be scared the first time you do it. It is pretty scary, especially when the stick's coming back around. So when you're doing the horizontal version, make sure that you are releasing the yo-yo far away enough from you. Like, you don't want the yo-yo to be right in front of your face while you're doing it, because the sticks are gonna come around and just hit you in the head. So make sure it's far enough to the outside, and like give it like the full string length, because like this is where you're gonna catch the string as well, because it's just gonna come back around. So make sure it's all the way out instead of just like right in front of you. Okay. With vertical stick release, it's a lot different. You're literally just tossing everything into the air, so you don't really need to worry about that right now. But yeah, again, all the way out to the right or to the side. Push down, catch. So obviously you're not going to get it every time, but just make sure to practice a lot and don't be scared. Don't be scared to do this one.